everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. I'm sure as you can realise, or as you can hear even, my voice is totally gone. We went swimming at the weekend, or actually we went swimming during the week, and my voice is just gone. I think I just took in too much seawater. But you know, I'm feeling fine. Nothing else apart from my voice is absolutely gone. Plus we were laughing and joking and we just had like the best time. So my voice has gone about 10 tones deeper, but sure, look, it'll be grand. Back to normal in no time. So here we go today, folks. Another Cash Stuffing Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. I have a new little setup here. I kind of made myself a little boom mic, if you will. I was going to buy one, and then I realised how expensive they were. So I've just kind of made my own, and do you know what? I'm actually quite happy with it. It looks quite good. You know, for someone who just basically made it out of duct tape and a pole. But sure, you know, needs must. Anyhow, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope I've said that already. And let's go. So the budget today, as always, is 200 schmackers. Now, Super Savers, how are you all getting on with your budgets? Mine's actually doing all right. I have some really, really good news. So with this week's budget, I will be paying Argos 20 quid, and I think after that I will only owe them about £2, I think, after that. So in next week's Cash Stuffing Sunday will be the last time I'll have to pay them, and I'm trying really, really hard not to use this card anymore. It is a card I use, like, you know, just to get the nitty bits when I'm out of cash or whatever. But now, let's go. Let's see how we get on. Right, so last week for food, I had a budget of 30 quid, which I actually did really well. I only used 25. So let's just check our money. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and 30 went into an online payment on Very. So that's where that's gone. Rightio. So 50 smackers is going in on food again because I have everybody this week. Everybody's coming back. So, and I'm keeping that fiver in there as well, just in case. Well, just in case I need it. It's always good to have a bit of a backup plan because my boys to be well hungry. Right, Argos is getting 20, so let's put that in there. It's very handy, that Argos card, and like I have to say, I'm fierce good with it because I don't ever have to pay back the interest. I always pay it back before it's due. Very is getting 30, that's done. Council tax is getting 30 as well. I'll probably have to top that up with more though at some point during the month. And the water is getting 20, 10, 15, 20. Where's my water? I actually need to put that 20 into my account so I can pay off my online thing with Very. I'm trying really hard now to get Very down as well. So that I need to put that into my account. Let me see what else have I with the water. And we've got £50 towards childcare. Now, even though my daughter isn't in childcare this term, I'm just kind of saving for September. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. There we go. Into childcare. I also have sports that needs to start back up in September again, and I need to pay for that. So yeah, we just need to start budgeting properly. Right, lads, now back onto the penny savings challenge. Let's see how we're getting on. This week I had a lot of change. So okay, so let's see how much we have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, £9. 9. We have 2, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. That's £10. £10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. £10, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 9, £10, 54 is what I have. Okay, so we're going to have to split that up. So we can do a £4 and a 13. So I'll take them. And I can cross this one off. £4, 13. And we'll do £1, £2, £3, £4, 11, 12. And we will do £1, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195, 96, 95, £2, £2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, £2.09. So £2.09, and we'll put that into the oven. Where is that? £2.09 will go in here. That's a good penny saving challenge this week. I'm very happy about that. I hope you are all doing really well with your cash stuffing and your cash envelopes. Guys, again, I just want to say another huge thank you to you all for like joining me in the last week. Again, I've noticed my numbers are slowly climbing, and yeah, it's just amazing, and I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you, so thank you. Yeah, don't forget to keep saving, keep cash stuffing, and I shall see you next Sunday. Thanks a million for watching. Bye.